So what I'm going to talk about now is a seam swap. So all of Wallpaper has seams. And if you come up here, let me show you what I'm talking about here. If you notice this seam right here, at the angle you're looking at from that side, you can see it. Now, if you rotate the camera on this way, watch what happens. It's going to disappear. See, you can't see it anymore. This is important because the main focal point of the room, the main entry door is over on that direction, and the seating area is over there. So ideally, we want the seam on that side. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. All I need to do is get up here so I don't have to pick at it. I'm gonna try and use a squeegee here to get underneath it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel this back. All right, so that's one side. Lucky us, we have this little outlet. Now we have both seams pulled up. So what we're gonna do is lay this right one down first. When you peel it up, it can tend to stretch a little bit. What you need to do is take the sharp edge of your squeegee and kind of smooth these back down on that edge. Now we're just laying the left side back on top of the right. Kind of almost mess up. I'll probably end up double cutting this. Honestly, that's what we'll end up doing. So this is just a way of simply swapping your seams depending on the light or where you're standing, or where the focal point is in the room. It's a simple fix.